Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set up exchanges on your Etsy website shop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here in the upper right corner, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account if you have not already. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page in the upper right corner, we can get started accessing our shop manager. This is going to enable us to go and set up our shop if you do not already have one, or if you already have one, you can go and manage your settings directly by opening up the shop manager. So now let's go and take a look at this instructions right here in the official Etsy help center. We have an article on how to set up shop policies, and this is how we can get started setting up whatever we need. So as you can see, to set up your shop policies and refunds and exchanges, you're going to go to etsy.com and open up the shop manager exactly like I just showed you, and from here you're going to go and select your settings. Once you open up your settings, you're going to choose policy settings, and your policies have several sections, and what you want to do is open up the returns and exchanges policy. This is going to enable you to set up exchanges for your items and listings on your Etsy shop. So just go ahead and open up that and get started setting up all the info that you need regarding your listings, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.